By the way, Mayor, so far as we speak, you've been into public service, you've been serving Iloilo City and Iloilo Province for a while. So ano po yung, hindi naman sa pagmamahibang, o kumbaga, pwede natin ma-share sa ating mga kababayan na accomplishment ng Jerry Treñas administration or leadership, Mayor Jerry, sir?
Especially right now, there's a lot of construction because a lot of BPOs are coming in, and a lot more BPO buildings are needed in Iloilo. We have 41,000 full-time BPO call center agents. And it's a good thing that here in Iloilo, we graduate more than any city in the Visayas and Mindanao. So we have a steady supply of possible call center agents. What you showed in your video is our latest dialysis center. In Iloilo City, we provide free dialysis to our indigent residents of Iloilo.
Kaya naman pala, kumbaga kung magkaroon ng yung mahirap na kababayan natin dyan ay nagkaroon ng problema sa bato, sa kidney, at kailangan mag-undergo ng dialysis. So hindi na pala niya problemahin, hindi na kailangan niyang pipila pa ng pagkahaba-haba para lamang makakuha ng libreng dialysis or treatment, Mayor Jerry, sir.
You only have to provide the proof of residence in Iloilo, and libre na ang dialysis.